All right, now we're in what I consider the main building of K&N. I don't know if that's the right way to say it or not, but where the majority of things are produced, shipped, etc. As you can see from looking around, and Rich will get us some more details, but you see lots and lots of product. I'm actually standing in a dock right now.
Yep.
And you can see lots and lots of product waiting for trucks to carry it off to consumers.
Exactly, yeah. We've got several common carriers in here and about 4 or 5 between UPS and FedEx vehicles. All of this stuff is going to be shipped out. I mean, this whole section here turns over several times a day. And what we're going to do is go through this building backwards.
Okay.
These are parts that are done, ready to be shipped out, and the direction that we're going to go will be actually backwards, actually getting us to where the material comes from across the street, pleated in a pleat pack before it's ever even a filter.
Got it.
It's a bare medium.
Got it.
And then we'll go by the mold machines and all that. But right here, these are getting ready to be shipped out and sent to a customer. Many customers, probably. First thing that you'll notice is all the blue bins. That's something that throughout all of this you're going to want to keep an eye on, because everything everything here travels on a blue bin.
Okay.
Once it comes in the back door, actually gets put into inventory. Once it starts moving through the process, it gets put in a blue bin. We have well over 1,000 of these bins that run around on the conveyor. There's a couple miles of conveyor system. And as you'll see, this upstairs area is where everything is held in what we call our pick module. 90,000 separate locations in our pick module up there. And we'll take a walk and take a look at this place. It's the thing to see, we can do it at a better level, elevated.
Okay.
As you see, you look back and there, you can see things moving everywhere.
Yep.
Our in-house VMS system, Gary was referring to earlier, it drives this entire system. Everything runs off our VMS system.
Got it. Oops, we're in the way. All right.
Don't want to get...
Okay, I'm John Rush, Drive Radio, and we're back. Another area of the K&N manufacturing plant, and we're actually 3 levels up off the plant floor, correct?
Right, correct. In the last video where we were down on the shipping area, if you looked out, you saw the multiple levels of it. So now where we are is we're moving more towards the production area, still kind of working in a backwards fashion. But where we're at here is very reminiscent of where K&N started. This is what's called our plastic line. Gary referred to earlier. And what we do here is this is a lower production area. Still making work big dual oven, the way this is, we had one small oven that the whole thing would have fit in your garage very easily. But it's still done the same way. And what we do is, if you see down at the very end where the lady's walking across down at the end there, you'll see that there's 4 handheld nozzles there. What they'll do is they'll take a part. If you look through there on the other side over there, you'll see them doing it on that oven. She'll take the bottom part of the die, put whatever short plastisol that needs to be on that particular part of the filter. Put the material on it, put a weight on it, and it'll run through the first part of the oven. Now after it runs through the first part of the oven, which moves very, very slowly, it'll come to this section here where she will take the part, take the other part of the tooling, and see on that end is the top part of the tool. On this end, what they'll do is let's say the bottom end. So it might take a different, a little bit harder or a little bit softer sort of material. They'll fill it, and there, put down the oven, go through here, come down to that area underneath there with small coolers to cool off, and they will hand trim all the plastic off of it, be sure that everything is no porosity or anything in the part. Everything's acceptable, and we'll go in the blue bin and spin up that inventory ready for the next step. But that's how we started out and it was almost infinite. Imagine that.
Much smaller.
Yeah, that much smaller.
Wow. Amazing.
Look, look, look.